Welcome back to another episode of Rosengold. I'm your host, IK, and Dr. Ross is out on set, but stay tuned for all of the latest updates and for all of the latest news regarding our news appearance. But let's get straight into our hot topics for today, starting it off with the Cannes Film Festival. So lots of celebrities appeared. There was Leonardo DiCaprio. He had one of his own films, which got a 9-minute standing ovation. Johnny Depp was there, and many other celebrities, which we'll put right here on screen. But Dr. Ross and I have seen all the films. We haven't seen all of the new short films and things that came out at Cannes, but we're for sure going to be giving them a look and giving you guys an in-depth review. And they were saying that Johnny Depp had rotting teeth, but we don't know about that one. Let's get into our next hot topic with Jay-Z and Beyonce. So they actually had a night out on the town in London enjoying a nice dinner after purchasing another $200 million house in California. This one is a 50-50 for me. It seems like they're always doing something, always trying to purchase another more expensive house or more expensive car to say that they've got it.
You can't keep getting away with it!
But I'm not going to hate their hustle because I see what they're doing. They're staying out in the news, staying relevant, and doing what they love to do, staying in the spotlight.
Yes, sir.
Let's get into our next and final hot topic for today with the latest films. So as I said earlier, we've watched pretty much every single film that has come out in the movie theaters, but two of the big films are Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 and the new Fast and the Furious, which I would say is a little messy. If you're going to watch it on a Tuesday. But they did bring, spoilers, they brought The Rock back, and they also killed everyone off. So, who knows, maybe you might like it. But as for saying which one is my favorite, it wouldn't be either of those. It would be another film which is probably going to get swept off the radar called Blackberry, which is documenting the growth and the start of the Blackberry phone company, which you guys should all check out.
Oh shit, here we go again.
These were all of our hot topics, but we're going to end it off with the She's Hot contest. That's right, we know you guys have been waiting, and we are going to deliver. So our winner for this week is none other than Mr. Paul Walker's daughter, Miss Meadow Rain Walker. Congratulations on your win. She was in the new Fast and the Furious as the flight attendant, and I will say, she has now been inducted into the Fast family. Who knows? We might see her in one of the next ones, but you never know. Miss Meadow Walker, we'd still love to have you in one of our films. P.S. I don't want to be a spoiler for the film Fast X, but there were a lot of star-studded cast in that film, ranging from, there was Pete Davis, then there was Gal Gadot, Wonder Woman. Let's see, there was The Rock, who came in at the end as a cameo. There was the Shaw, from Hobbs and Shaw, we'll put his name right here. And then there was also Paul Walker in the film along with Charlize Theron, although Paul Walker was in a flashback in the beginning. But still, with all of the money they spent for the film, anything they make back is just going to go straight back to what they spent for advertising and the budget, since it was CGI, explosions everywhere. But I thought it was messy, but who knows? You may like it. One good thing about the film, though, is that they threw, when Pete Davis was seen on screen, they threw some dust into his eyes.
I'm gonna put some dirt in your eye.
And to the Fast and Furious producers and directors and writers, give Dr. Ross and I a shot, because Vin Diesel is looking a little bit old. Not to style on his game, but you could use a new one. Dr. Ross and I are here, and we're ready. These were all of our hot topics, but we're going to move on to updates for Rosengold and different things moving forward with the channel. Dr. Ross and I have created our own GoFundMe accounts to help fund the development and implementation of metal detectors across all schools in the whole state of Texas. And know that there are some things that you can't prevent, but we're looking to help prevent even one mass shooting. We've already donated $1,000 of our own money to help get this cause off the ground and to get it started, but we can't get it finished without you guys' help, the community and the viewers. So if you know any place that is looking for someone to speak on this topic, let Dr. Ross and I know, as we'd love to come and speak on it, since we're looking to make this a global effort to help everyone, all of the kids, the students, teachers, and innocent people as a whole. These were all of our hot topics and updates for today. But we'll see you all in the next episode of Rosengold. And to Kylie Jenner, that's for you. We'd love to come speak at a school with you.